Hey guys, Centurion Airsoft here. We're back with a shooting test, kind of. Today we have two 1911s with the courtesy of D Airsoft 4. Check them out. So we have two WE M1911s, and we're going to be dual wielding them now. We did this for all those Modern Warfare 2, zombie, whatever fans, but this is something we haven't tried yet, so it should be pretty cool. So yeah. So this one's been having malfunctions. I'm sorry about that. But I really don't know what's wrong with it. Sorry about that, but that was our dual wheel 1911 Mustang Sally, whatever. I hope you enjoyed. This was fun to make. I mean, it was only a minute long, but whatever. Anyway, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.